And so perhaps AI is not just for stealing our jobs, but for avoiding a real-life replay of Michael Bay's 1990s classic Armageddon. A new AI model called HelioLinC 3D has been used to spot asteroids that could in the future pose a threat to Earth. The team from the University of Washington claims that the new AI model can identify asteroids with just half the observations that were needed before. The large, very nearby objects are known as potentially hazardous asteroids, PHAs. They're systematically searched for and monitored to ensure they won't collide with Earth. Now from there, Jurek explains the development of the Rubin Observatory, and that is of course where the HelioLinC 3D model came in. The big deal, Jurek says, is that it can identify asteroids with much fewer, up to 50% and more dispersed observations than required by today's methods. Now, Jurek says that the asteroid they discovered, 2022 SF289, which is closer than the Moon, it currently poses no danger of hitting Earth for the foreseeable future. Still, the urgency is that while we've identified 2,350 PHAs, scientists believe there are more than 3,000 yet to be found.